Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wealthsimple Trade Review My Usage Experience. Wealthsimple Trade Review My Usage Experience offers commission-free online stock trading. It's aimed at individual investors who want a simple and affordable way to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and other investments. Key features include a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of investment options. Their website provides details on all the available assets and account types. Their website highlights ease of use as a major selling point, and indeed, they boast no hidden fees and no account minimums. They compare favorably to other commission-free brokers in terms of pricing transparency and the breadth of their offerings. They don't explicitly mention a specific technology used, but the platform is generally responsive and efficient. Wealthsimple Trade is available in Canada. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wealthsimple Trade. Getting started was incredibly easy. The sign-up process took maybe 5 minutes, and the verification was quick and straightforward. Navigating the interface was intuitive. Even someone like me, who's not a tech whiz, found it simple to place trades. For example, buying shares of Apple was as easy as searching for the ticker symbol and specifying the quantity. The performance was consistently smooth. I never experienced any significant delays or glitches. I had a quick question about fractional shares, and their support responded within a day via email. Impressive. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, displaying my portfolio performance clearly and concisely. The standout feature for me was definitely the educational resources they offer, providing helpful information on investing strategies. One minor drawback was the limited research tools compared to some competitors. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced order types, but that's more a personal learning curve than a flaw in the platform. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wealthsimple Trade. It's a great option for beginner and intermediate investors looking for a simple, low-cost trading platform. That's my overview of Wealthsimple Trade Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.